Hello, welcome in, gems. I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to be talking about this application I found on Steam called VTuber Maker. Let me show you what I mean. So as you can see, when you Google VTuber, the first thing that comes up here is VTuber Maker on Steam. So I was like, okay, well, I wonder what this is, let's check it out. And I was like, oh cool, this looks really epic. Like maybe there's mostly positive reviews, maybe this is an alternative if you don't want to use something like 3teen or something like VC Face and you just want to hop straight into it. Upon downloading this and installing it, I found out some really funny things that I would love to share my findings with you guys. So I launched VTuber Maker and I realized you had to make an account. So I was like, okay, let's just make an account. Let's see what happens. So we logged in and then we found out that there's so many different cool things you can do in here. There's different scenes you can have as your background. There are overlays, like you have that mic there. So if you want to drop some bars, you have a whole like little Switch deck right here. Like what? This is so cool. There's the cute avatar mode, which I'm in right now, where you can go from the regular character to a cute mode. And I was like, oh, this is epic. So I checked out the avatars and I was like, okay, like where do I import my avatar? Let's look around. Where do I import it? And I couldn't figure it out. I was going into the settings. I was looking around. There's different emotes you can do in here as well. I was like, okay, there's gotta be a way, but I couldn't find it within the program. So I said, okay, let's go check out the website and see what we can do. So we get to the website and I'm like, okay, there's gotta be a place to upload my avatar and maybe we'll try this customization tab up here. And then I realized basic importing and tuning, $19. Boy, so they per character avatar, I'm not 100% sure if that's what this is saying, but I think it's saying that you have to pay for a plan to upload your character into the system. And there's also a premium plan. And I was like, boy, okay, you have to contact them. Like you can't even sign up for it right away. Anyways, what I figured out is if you are Googling VTuber and you want to make a customized avatar, please do not use this program unless you just want to use an avatar that already exists in that program. If you want to make your own customized avatar, I highly recommend VRoid Studio. It is free, it is easy to use, it is wonderful. Everything about this program is great. I will drop a link down below. You guys know I preach this all the time. There are so many options. Look at it. Look at how beautiful this is. Simple to draw hair. Very nice. Not sponsored by VRoid Studio, by the way, but you know what? We're going. But there's also plenty of other tutorial options on my channel for VRoid Studio where you can learn how to make hair, do custom eye textures. I will drop those cards above. And if you're going to make a customized VR/virtual YouTuber character, because this is going to be your best bet from all the things I found so far. Again, of course, I will keep you guys updated with the things that I find. I will let you know if I find anything better, but so far VRoid Studio is the best thing to make your character from scratch if you don't know how to 3D model in a program like Maya or Blender. Anyways, I hope you find that incredibly helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. If you want to catch me live, go to twitch.tv/Syafire. You can find me over there Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 2 p.m. Mountain Time right now. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you on the next video. Moral of the story, please don't use the program that I found called VTuber Maker. Please use VRoid Studio. Great option for making characters. All right, have a good one and enjoy your day. Bye. Enjoy yourself.